Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. So as you guys might have seen, I tried doing this with oil pastel, but I feel like this still life has a lot of small objects, and for the scale that I was trying to work out with oil pastel, it just wasn't working out the way that I wanted to, so I ended up doing it digitally, and I really like how it turned out actually. So there we go. I'm glad I did it digitally. I bought this little hat for Yuki and I'm gonna put it on her.
Okay. Okay. Yuki, no.
Hi everyone. Quick update because I have not filmed past 2 days. I went to Austin 2 days ago to get a tattoo. I got this little bunny by Mare Pokes. I will put her at on the screen. She is very good. I love her art so much. And I got one of her little bunnies because he's so cute. But yeah, I had the like wrap on for 2 days. I was supposed to leave it on for 3, but she was like, as long as it's on for 24 hours, you're cool. And I wanted to take it off so I could see him. But yeah, first tattoo, there he is. But yeah, I went to go get that done in Austin, and then yesterday it was my boyfriend's sister's birthday, so we spent some time with her. So I just didn't film. I tend to not film when I'm spending time with people. I do kind of wish that I would film a little bit, but it's just a force of habit. I totally forget about my phone and all that when I'm with people, so I just didn't film. But yeah, a little update about my tattoo. The rest of the week I am aiming to get these clay pins done that I started. I need to finish adding the little leaves to the strawberries, and then I can bake them all and then sand them. So yeah, I'm gonna be focusing on that. And I'm also, I think I'm gonna be starting on the tote designs. Probably, I already know what I'm doing. I just need to start cutting the vinyl and ironing it on to the totes. Also, you guys know about my little dinosaur friend. He's from Daiso, but yesterday I bought a giant froggy squishmallow. I love him so much. I didn't have a froggy plushie at all, and I love frogs so very much. I hope to have one of my own one day, like a real one. But yeah, I found him at the pharmacy. I love him very much. So these are all the sticker designs that I am getting made, and these little cakes are gonna have like glitter on some parts. But yeah, these are the ones that I am sending to get made. I'm very excited. I decided to send them to get made just to try it out because I've never done that before, and also because I wanted to try out the quality and also see how that helps with shop prep. I used Sticker app, if anyone is wondering. They have pretty good prices. So yeah, these are the sticker designs coming for the shop update. So this is what my little pins are looking like. I'm so happy with them. The little flowers in a bunch of different colors. Of course, they're all basically going to be the same. Same with the hearts. As you can see, I love them so much. And then I also did strawberries again, but this time they're not going to have faces. And I'm doing like different little colorways. So red, pink, and like a super light pink. And I have these flowers left over. I'm going to decide what colors to make them. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm really happy with the colorway and how they're looking. But yeah. Also, I bought this little sanding tool. It has 3 settings. And it made the process of making pins much faster. I know not everyone sands their clay pins. I always choose to so the paint can grip on much easier, and also because I personally can never get my clay super smooth. So I try to use this to get it as smooth as possible and remove any imperfections. So yeah, this has made the process much faster and much easier. So these are all the prints that are going to be on my shop, and I did decide on an update date, which is October 23rd. So that is when my shop will reopen. I get a lot of emails asking me. But yeah, these are the prints that I'm going to offer so far. I might do like 1 or 2 more, but yeah, very happy I finished printing them all, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut them and trim them down. So before I close out this vlog, I do want to super quickly talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. So if you don't know what Squarespace is, it is an all-in-one platform where you can make your own website for whatever you need, whether it's for your business, a portfolio, whatever it is, you can make a website on Squarespace. They have really great tools, especially for running your business. I have my business using Squarespace. They have a really great website analytics to give you some insight on what's going on with your website, email campaigns, and they actually added booking and scheduling as well. If you would like to make your own website with Squarespace, you can use my code. It'll be on the screen and the description box down below. You can get 10% off your first purchase whenever you are ready to register.